Hi there everyone, welcome to Sharada's Crochet. So today we are going to see the pinwheel pattern and I'm going to use a 3.75 mm hook, and the colors that we are going to use is pink and blue. So I'm going to use two colors for this. So before we see the pattern, please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you have not, and the notification button for updates. Make the knot. And insert the hook into the loop. For those of you who are new to this video and who are new to crochet, please go ahead and click the links below for basics of crochet and how to handle the thread or how to hold the thread while crocheting. So first we are going to start with 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join it with the slip stitch and make it into a circle. So next we are going to make 3 chains which will count as 1 treble. So 1, 2, 3, and then 3 chains again and 1 treble into the circle, 3 chains, one treble. So this is going to be the pattern for this circle: 3 chains, 1 treble, 3 chains, 1 treble, and we are going to do that 7 times. So the total number of trebles in the circle will be 8, including the first 3 chains, which is counted as 1 treble. So let's continue with this. So I've completed the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again I made 3 chains and I'm going to join it with the 3rd chain in the first 3 chains, which will also be counted as 1 treble. So the first row will look like a wheel. Okay, now I'm going to fasten off and join the next color wool. So another way of joining the next color will be, you just take the next color into this loop and tighten the previous color. And bring it through all the chains neatly, which we usually do. So I'll just finish up with that and come back. Now to start the next row, I'm going to make a slip stitch into the next 3 chain space. So I'm going to slip stitch into this, bring this color, and then take all these loops neatly along with the stitches. Now for the first stitch, I'm going to make 3 chains and 3 trebles into the same space, that is the 3 chain space. 2 chains, 4 trebles into the next 3 chain space. Two chains again and 4 trebles into the 3 chain space. Two chains. So this is going to be the pattern for this row. 4 trebles, 2 chains, 4 trebles, 2 chains into each of the 3 chain space. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains and end this row. So you will have a 4 treble group 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this row is over and I'm going to fasten off. So for the next row, join the next color in any of the 2 chain space and chain 3 and 5 trebles into the same space. So totally 6 trebles into the 2 chain space and then 1 chain, 6 trebles in the next chain, three chains, 6 trebles, 1 chain, 6 trebles, 3 chains, 6 trebles, 1 chain, 6 trebles, and the last will be 3 chains. So this is going to be the pattern for this row. So for the next round, we are going to join the next color and then 3 chains. You should join the color in any of the 3 chain space. So after that, 3 chains, 1 treble in the same space, 3 chains and 2 trebles in the same space. Next 3 chains and 1 DC between the third and fourth treble of the next 6 treble group. So I'm going to make a DC, a double crochet, and then 3 chains and then 1 DC in this 1 chain space. Again 3 chains and then again 1 DC between the third and fourth treble of the 6 treble group. Again 3 chains and 2 trebles, three chains, 2 trebles in the same space. Three chains, 1 DC between the third and fourth treble, three chains, 1 DC in the 1 chain space, 3 chains, 1 DC in between the third and fourth treble of the 6 treble group, 3 chains and the corner. So it is 2 trebles, three chains and 2 trebles. So we are going to work in the same pattern till the end. So I'm going to fasten off and make sure that is inserted into the square neatly. So this is how the final pattern looks. Leave your comments and suggestions below. Subscribe to join our fam. Keep watching for more. Bye bye.